Today we are featuring the Groen Intech connectionless steamer to prepare the essential ingredient of peeled tomatoes to be used for marinara and pizza sauce. The Groen Intech steamer requires no water lines or drain connections. Optional water fill and drain kits are available. Here we quickly prep the tomatoes by slicing through the skin to help them release during and after the cooking process. Now we will load our tomatoes for today's recipe and set the timer for 5 minutes. The solid state controls are easy to operate. The Groen Intech steamer gives our prep cook the opportunity to prepare multiple pans in a single batch, maximizing the pizzeria's ability to yield large volumes of production with a smaller investment in time. With the highest production rating of any Energy Star steamer on the market, the Intech can prepare 175 pounds of product per hour. Once we have steamed our tomatoes for 5 minutes, we quickly shock the tomatoes in an ice water bath to stop the cooking process and lock in the color. Now we can easily remove the skins from our tomatoes and crush or dice them to prepare the valuable tomato sauce used for our main menu item in the pizzeria restaurants. The Intech steamer can also be used to prepare other common pizzeria menu offerings like cooking pasta or cream and tomato sauces for less reduction, which provides better yields. The Groen Intech is available in electric and gas models, and all models can be stacked, which doubles the capacity in a single footprint. And the electric units have the functionality to act as an NSF holding cabinet to store pre-cooked products. The Intech has no boiler or conventional generators and requires no deliming, boiler maintenance, and no harsh chemicals. The Groen family of steamers has the best possible combination of cooking speed, efficiency, and reliability of any line of steamers on the market today. We have now seen how the Groen Intech steamer supports the fast-paced operations of a busy pizzeria. Groen builds great steamers, and we stand behind it with a 1-year parts and labor warranty and a 5-year cavity warranty. Groen has been manufacturing quality, durability, and performance for over a century. For more information on the Groen line of steamers, visit our website at www.unifiedbrands.net and click on the Groen tab.